We've redesigned our whole range of cross-wall time flow controls in order to provide products that are more modern, better looking, and above all, even more vandal resistant. This type of installation can be found mainly in places where the risk of vandalism is high, such as prisons, some service stations, some schools or colleges. The goal is to prevent users from accessing the internal operating parts by installing the controls through the wall, in service ducts behind the area. It's in these service ducts that any maintenance takes place as a way of guaranteeing the safety of maintenance staff and easing their work. We've also chosen to complete the range in order to allow you to fully fit your washrooms. So we have controls for basins, showers, urinals and WCs. We've made a design choice that is very modern, discreet and provides a stylish appearance despite being installed in secure areas. The whole of the control rod can be cut to size so it can be adapted to different wall thicknesses. It's made from aluminium, which is an extremely strong material, which can be found on ship masts, aeroplane wings. There is also a ligature-resistant button, which is completely flush to the wall, to prevent the risk of hanging, maintaining the importance of user safety. Another important point is that these water controls are fitted with an anti-blocking system, which means that water only flows when the push button is released, in order to prevent water being wasted, and the abuses of usage that can be encountered in these places, knowing that these are time flow controls that shut off automatically after a certain runtime.